Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California, northeastern San Diego County in southwestern California, until 1:45 p.m. PDT. At 1:07 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Salton Sea Beach, or 12 miles north of Salton City, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indio, southeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Thermal, Highway S22 between Borrego Springs and Imperial County line, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza, La Quinta, Mecca, Indian Wells, Santa Rosa Mountain, and Bermuda Dunes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. PDT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego.